Gusto mo bang magtrabaho sa New Zealand bilang dairy farm worker pero hindi mo alam kung saan magsisimula? Or baka naman nangangarap ka na makatapak sa New Zealand, maranasan ang malamig na klima, magandang benefits at mataas na sahod? Kung isa ka sa mga nangangarap maging dairy farm worker abroad pero nalilito ka kung aling agency ang legit at paano ang tamang proseso? Don't worry, this video is right for you. Hi mga karekro, Jen here. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Saan ka mag-a-apply, anong requirements, at paano mo malaman kung legit ang agency. With disclaimer lang po, wala po kaming koneksyon sa kahit anong agency na babanggitin dito. Ang goal lang ng Recruit PH ay magbahagi ng verified info para maiwasan nyo ang illegal recruitment at makahanap ng tamang daan papuntang New Zealand. Ano nga ba ang trabaho sa dairy farm? Bilang dairy farm assistant, usually ang mga trabaho mo ay mag-alaga ng baka, mag-milk gamit ang milking machines, maglinis ng barns, at tumulong sa pang-araw-araw na operations ng farm. Magkano nga ba ang sahod sa New Zealand bilang dairy farm worker? According to Careers New Zealand site as of 2025, dairy farm assistant salary nasa 55,000 New Zealand dollar per year. Herd manager salary is nasa 67,000 New Zealand dollar per year. Ang farm or operation managers naman, ang salary is nasa 83,000 to 100,000 New Zealand dollar per year. Karaniwang kwalifikasyon para sa dairy farm jobs, at least nasa 2 to 3 years experience sa dairy farming. Kayang magtrabaho sa malamig na klima at mahaba-habang oras. Marunong gumamit ng milking machines or willing matuto. Good physical condition, preferably may high school diploma or vocational course. Must have good communication and teamwork skills. May advantage kung may overseas farming experience. Saan ka pwedeng mag-apply? Mga ka-recruit, may dalawang paraan. Sa DMW accredited agency sa Pilipinas or sa mga legit recruitment agencies based in New Zealand. So, let's break it down. Ang DMW accredited agency sa Philippines, ito yung kilalang agency sa Pilipinas, ang FMW Human Resources International Corporation. And also, they have an active job post sa workabroad.ph. May current posting sila sa dairy farming bound to New Zealand. Hanapin mo lang ang work abroad at siguraduhin updated ang profile mo. Second, for DMW accredited agencies is Mega Manpower Corporation, which is located at Mandaluyong City. So, may recent post din sila sa Facebook showing deployment of dairy farm worker to New Zealand. Pero wala pang visible job post online. Best to contact them directly for current opening. Dito naman tayo sa nakabase sa New Zealand agencies. First is Friends, Recruitment and Immigration. And also active din ang post nila for dairy farm assistants and seasonal milk harvesters. May ongoing hiring sa Canterbury, West Coast at iba pang mga regions. Next naman, for New Zealand agency is CC Recruitment. Last post nila is July 2025 job post for herd manager, dairy assistants, and more. So, laging mag-fresh update sa website nila. Ang website nila laging may fresh update, legit and transparent din. The region's recruitment and immigration. They offer both job placement and immigration support. Paano ang step-by-step application process? If via FMW or Mega Manpower, check ang dmw.gov.ph to verify the job orders. Mag-apply online via workabroad.ph. I-upload ang resume at kumpletuhin ang profile. Tayin ang tawag or email ng agency. Kung may employer match, schedule for interview. Sagutin ang medical document processing at PDOS. Tsaka palang babayaran ang placement fee. If via New Zealand-based agencies naman, France, CC, or the regions, i-check ang official website nila for openings. Mag-apply direkta. Usually, may online form or email submission. Prepare the updated resume at valid passport. Dapat may minimum 2 to 3 years experience. Mga dokumentong dapat ihanda. Updated resume, valid passport, at least 2 years validity, employment certificate, NBI clearance, international, POS certificate, diploma or Form 137, apostille documents, medical clearance pag naselect ka na, tips para makaiwas sa illegal recruitment. Laging i-check sa dmw.gov.ph ang status ng agency. Huwag magbayad agad. Walang employer, walang bayad. Huwag mag-transact sa GCash or personal account or fixer. I-verify ang job offer sa official site or FB page ng agency. Save copies ng lahat ng email at transaction records. So may placement fee ba? Yes, pero hindi dapat lalagpas ng isang buwan ng sahod kung DMW accredited. Libre ba ang application sa New Zealand based in agencies? Yes, pero usually ikaw ang magbabayad ng immigration or visa processing kung ikaw ay offshore. Pwede ba kahit high school graduate? Yes, basta may 2 to 3 years actual dairy farm experience. Again, kami po sa Recruit PH ay hindi po recruitment agency. Walang koneksyon sa FMW, Mega Manpower, France, CC Recruitment. It's still your responsibility as job applicant to verify the legitimacy of the job offer. If you are accepted, make sure to carefully review and validate the job contract before signing. Lahat ng impormasyong ibinahagi ay mula sa verified job post at official sources. Thanks for watching mga ka-recruit. Kung may tanong ka, comment lang sa baba or i-message lang kami. Good luck sa application mo and ingat lagi lalo na sa mga scammer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in our next vlog!